function from set 1, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 5, and G is a function from set 1 to 5 to 1, 3, given by, you are given in roster form F and G, and we have to find out GOF. Let me write the given information F and G with the help of Venn diagram. This is set A. F is a function from set A to B. What is set A given to you? 1, 3, 4. And what is set B given to you? Say 1, 2, 5. And what is set C? Set C is 1, 3. Let me call it set C. Now F is a function from A to B, and G is a function from B to C. Now let's see what is function F. It is 1, 2. 1 is associated to 2. 3, 5. 3 is associated to 5. And 4 is associated to 1. 4 is associated to 1. Okay? 4, 1. And now let me see function G. What is function G? 1, 3. 1 is associated to 3. And 2, 3. 2 is also associated to 3. And 5, 1. 5 is associated to 1. 5, 1. Okay. So to the given information, function F and function G, I have written in Venn diagram form. And now it will be easier for you to work out GOF. GOF of elements, of course, GOF means GOF is a function from A to C, remember. It will be ultimately a function from set A to set C. So let me take one by one the elements of set A. What is GOF of 1? It is G of F1. And what is the value of F1? F1 is 2. And what is the value of G2? G2 is 3. So finally you get GOF of 1 equal to 3. So if I keep writing GOF here, so one element we have got 1, 3. Now what is GOF of 3, an element in A? It is G of F3. What is the value of F3? The value of F3 is 5. So it is G of 5. And what is G5? G5 is 1. So another element you get 3, 1. And 3, 3, 1. Now one more. Find the value of GOF of 4. That is G of F4. What is the value of F4? F4 is 1. So you get equal to G1. And what is the value of G1? 3. So you get 4, 3. So what are the elements of the composite function GOF? The elements are 1, 3, 3, 1 and 4, 3. Now next sum is, again we have to find out GOF and also FOG. The function f is defined as fx equal to mod x and gx is defined as mod of 5x minus 2. So now let me find out first GOF of x. That is G of fx. What is the definition of fx? It is mod x. And now what is the definition of gx? It is mod of 5x minus 2. But in place of x, I should replace mod x. So it is mod of 5, in place of x you replace mod x, 5 times mod x minus 2. So it is modulus of 5 times modulus x minus 2. And now we have also to find FOG for the same functions. FOG of x. FOG of x means f of gx. Now what is gx? Gx is given to you as mod 5x minus 2. mod 5x minus 2. Okay. And what is f of x? F of x is mod x. So it will be modulus of 5x minus 2. And do you know that modulus x remains x only? So finally you get FOG of x as mere 5x minus 2 modulus. So this is your this part. Now in the next part, fx is defined as 8x cube and gx equal to cube root of x, and again we have to find out GOF and FOG. Let me find GOF of x, means G of fx. Now fx is given to you as 8x cube, and what is G of x? It is cube root of it. So it will be cube root of 8x cube. Cube root of 8 is 2 and that of x cube is x. So your final answer is 2x. Now let me take the other part, that is FOG of x. FOG of x is f of gx. That is f of, what is the definition of gx? Definition of gx is cube root of x. And what is the definition of fx? It is 8x cube. So it will be 8 times, in place of x we have cube root of x whole cube. And obviously the cube of cube root will be x only. So FOG of x is 8x. Now in the next sum we are defined a function fx equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4, x not equal to 2 by 3, otherwise denominator will be 0. We have to prove FOF. The composite function FOF is x, and hence find inverse of f. So let us see what is FOF of x. So FOF of x means f of fx. Fx is already defined to you as 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Now what do you mean by f of it? That again, in the same definition of fx, you replace x by this. So it will be 4 times, what in place of x? The same 4x plus 3 over 6x minus 4. So 4 this plus 3 over 6 times the same, that is 4x plus 3 over 6x minus 4 and minus 4. So now you take LCM in numerator and denominator, and of course those LCMs will cancel and you simplify. It will be 16x plus 12 etc. You work it out, and divided by 24x and so on. And in the next step you will get 34x divided by 34, that is x only. So what do you find? That FOF of x is x again. That is an identity element. So if FOX of f is x again, we can say the function FOF is an identity on x. And if it is an identity element, then what will be f inverse? So f inverse will be f itself.